You can now place your pre-orders for the Huawei Watch Fit 3 in the UK and Germany. This latest wearable has made its debut on Amazon, although it's not yet up for direct purchase from the manufacturer. Similar Amazon product pages for the smartwatch have been noticed in countries such as France and Spain, but currently displayed as unavailable. The details on the Amazon listings seem to be evolving, indicating some changes have been made. However, keep your eyes peeled because the company has a scheduled event on May 7th, next Tuesday, where we may get the full scoop on the new watch. One of the standout features of the Huawei Watch Fit 3 is its design evolution. Say goodbye to the tall aspect ratio of Huawei bands, because this baby is sporting a more squarish design. And guess what? The display is a stunning 1.82-inch OLED, boasting a crisp resolution of 480 by 480 pixels. It's encased in a sleek aluminum alloy frame, available in classic black, pristine white, luxurious gold, and charming pink. Plus, with interchangeable fluoroelastomer rubber and leather straps, you can switch up your style in a snap. And with water resistance up to 5 ATM, you can take this baby anywhere, from the gym to the pool, without skipping a beat. Now, let's talk tech specs. While it may not pack as much storage as its round counterparts, with 4 GB on board, it's still got enough room for your essentials. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.2 and its own GPS receiver, staying connected on the go is a breeze. It seamlessly syncs with smartphones running Android 8 and above, or iOS 13 and above. Additionally, with a speaker and microphone, users can make and receive calls directly from their wrist, a convenient feature for those on the go. But that's not all. With heart rate and blood oxygen sensors, sleep monitoring, and workout tracking, this watch has your back when it comes to health and fitness. And with a hefty 400 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 10 days of use on a single charge. Talk about convenience, right? And when it's time to recharge, just plug in with the 2-pin charging adapter, and you'll be good to go in just 1 hour and 8 minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this beauty gonna set you back? Well, for Euro 160 with a rubber straps or Euro 180 for the leather option, it's a steal for all the features packed into this sleek package. And if you're in the UK, you might even snag a pair of FreeBuds SE2 White along with your purchase. So there you have it, the lowdown on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Are you as excited as I am to get your hands on one of these bad boys? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and ring that bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.